What if overall harmony, in spite of complicated repairs, could lead to natural, stunning results? Take a look at this 72-year-old patient 3 years after my plasma lift ultra procedure, deep plane neck lift, Plasmoplasty, fat grafting, Renuvion Full Face Resurfacing, and right eyelid ptosis repair. The results are exceptional. Ptosis repair successfully corrected right upper eyelid ptosis, now lifted and symmetrical for a balanced appearance, radically improved neck laxity, firm, smooth neck with dramatically reduced laxity, enhancing her profile. Cheek fullness and natural appearance, restored volume and contour, maintaining a pretty look. This transformation, sustained at 3 years, earned the Best Surgical Facial Rejuvenation Award at the 2023 Aesthetic Awards, reflecting our commitment to excellence in aesthetic surgery. I'd welcome the opportunity to explore how we can address your needs.